Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Super Absolute Spectra. About time. Here we go. It's go time. Round 2. This one, 5 boxes in the break. All in all, we'll start with our Absolutes. 11 first, then 12. Blue chip recruits on the cover right here. Sam Bradford and Trent Richardson. Speaking of 2011 Absolute, our Tyrod fanboy hasn't been around the last couple of days. I wonder why. Good luck. Well, good luck to you, Young. Let's hope you get something nice with him. First up, we got a duel. Jimmy Clausen and Steve Smith for the Panthers. Team tandems, yeah. Dak and Jay, 25 out of 50. Clausen winner. Aaron Williams, rookie for the Bills. And Tebow. Boom. Alright, Redskins. Leonard Hankerson, Jersey football jersey, NFC version. For LJ Maya, number 23 out of 49. Matt Hasselbeck, Silver Spectrum for the Titans, numbered 29 out of 50. Bear with me, guys. Jeez. Jamal Charles, autographed jersey, Groundhogs for the Chiefs. Carl with a K. That's numbered to only 10, 6 out of 10. Nice looking card. LaDainian Tomlinson, Canton Absolutes for the Jets, 2/100. And for the Raiders, there he is, Tywan Jones, AFC, Jersey football jersey, on to Will H. 84 of 99. Jordan Cameron, rookie for the Browns. All right, 2012 Absolute. Chris Johnson Silver Spectrum to 50. And Jamel Fleming for the Cardinals is our autograph. That is for C. Finney. Chris Johnson is 41 out of 50. Titans. Second Spectrum card for the Titans. Bugsy Bear. Brad Smelly. Oh, Smelly Brad, rookie. And go Aztecs. We got Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. Triple jersey autograph. Eagle Eye 82, Luke with Eagles. I'm sorry, with Broncos. The Eagle with Broncos. Yeah, he got a Leonard Hankerson jersey autograph rookie. Trash. Miami Dolphins, Lamar Miller, triple jersey. That is for Tommy Golf, numbered 96 out of 99. A lot of AFC in this break. And we got some Colts. Hopefully it's an Andrew Luck rookie, you know what I'm saying? I mean, what else are we looking for out of this, right? Oh, that's what we're looking for right there. You know, it's got a little dingy, man. Kind of a little one. Chandler Jones and Andrew Luck. War Room jersey auto rookie card. There you go. Delay 18 and the Colts. You can see it's got that chunky one right there in that corner, man. Somebody dropped that one serious style. 17 out of 49. And a little bit of a streaky ink, yeah. So streaky ink and a ding-donger. Sure Delay will still take it. Here we go. Alright, we got some Spectra, and then we got 2 super packs. We'll save those for the end, because it could be a monster, it could be a couple of zonks. Either way, it's fun. Starting off with Stephon Diggs, the Vikings, red and gold cards. Big old patch with blue ink, blue paint pen, 7 out of 25. Jameis Winston and Brett Hundley, Bucks and Packers duel. Ran that at the end of the box. Antonio Brown for the Steelers and Sushi. Sunday Best. And Brett Favre on the Jets. Number 20 out of 25. For Matt Grill. We got Devontae Parker, big old jersey. Dolphins, Tommy Golf. Ryan Tannehill, super dirty patch. Grass stains, all kinds of stuff. Dolphins as well. Tommy Golf. That one's numbered to 25. For the Giants, Olamagbe Odigizua. 1/1. And another Brett Favre on the Jets. We're building the rainbow. This one's numbered to 10. Pink. 6 out of 10. Grell TW. Alright, Kelvin Benjamin and Devin Funchess, Panthers and Panthers. Todd, Dak, and Jay. Martavis Bryant autograph for the Steelers, number to 50 on the Sushi. Devin Smith, Jumbo, Jets. And one for Grell. To 50. And a Peyton Manning, number to 99, Denver Broncos. Eagle Eye 82, 90 of 99. Last pack of Spectra, Steve Largent. Seahawks. So we got 2 auto patches in the box. Number to 99. This one is for the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar. Go Trojans. That one is for Sushi as well. Pretty lazy signature. 16 of 99. Just missed that 17 jersey. He indeed is, Josh. Yes. Andy Dalton, number /50 jersey for the Bengals and Jim Mint. And Alfred Morris, green /25 for the Redskins. LJ Maya. 3 of 25. All right, let's random this one. Bucks and Packers. Winston and Hunley. Oops, not Panthers, Packers. Good luck. Oops. 1, 2, 3. The Packers win. That's going to Donald D&H Martin. All right, we got 2 super packs to finish her off. Good luck, guys. For the Bucks, Vincent Jackson, flawless, 3 out of 10. Vic 22-22 of Bucks. And nice, numbered out of 25, autographed jersey, Joe Namath from Supreme. There you go, Matt Grill with the Giants. I'm sorry, the Jets. Skipping all over the Jets tonight. 6 of 25. Another inscription. Flawless, Marquise Lee. Go Trojans. 14 out of 15. We might have a black box hit again. Looks like a black box. Panini black box hit. The Jags, Army ATC 22. A flawless hit. And Derek Carr, 10 out of 10. It's the second time we got one of these. Nice. Only 10. We got 2 of them out of this stuff. Panini Black Box private signings. Derek Carr for Will H. and the Raiders. There you go. So 2 flawless cards and Namath and Carr. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Peace.